For every row like this, you cut from the big one, you cut one colored and one background. From these geese, you cut 4 of each color, and from the small one you cut 8 for each background. So this is how the block is going to look. You make 4 like this in 4 different colors if you want, or you can make all 4 pieces in the same color. You need 32 from these if you have 4 different colors, like in these, like this round, and you need 4 triangles like this for this corner. So now I will make another row of flying geese. First is the big corner. Do like this. Have in mind, I am not an expert, I'm only enjoying it. I do it for fun and I love it. So I will now press it. Now I will do a little flying geese. This, I just finger press it like this, and then I do the other one. I feel it a little bit easier to do it like that. Now I'm going to press it. Now I will put the flying geese and the corner piece together. You make it like this, the dark up left and the flying geese going away from it. Like this. They are flying away from that, like this. And you put all 4 together. You sew it together so it looks like this. And I will be back when I have made all my 4 pieces. Now, for the middle center piece, you cut from the background color, or which color you ever want, a piece that is 5 by 5 inches. Sorry, I made an oops. You don't sew together the corner block with the geese on 2 of the flying geese rows. So 2 you have like this, and 2 you have this, like this, sewn all together. So now you sew this one on there and this one on top. Make sure the geese are flying like this. Like so. Now it should look something like this. Now I will go and press it, and I'll be back. So now I'm sewing down like this. Like this. And then I sew the other side there. So, and if your block doesn't turn out perfect, it doesn't matter, because you're doing this for the fun of it, not to be perfect. It's going to be perfect for you.